Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own paper house. So here is the stuff you're gonna need. Things you're gonna need. You're gonna need some coloring pencils. I've got a whole badge here. The whole badge is in here. Some scissors and all about that. And 2 pieces of paper. Don't have for fun. So first, let's get started. So first, what you want to do, you want to grab your paper and fold it into 4 pieces. So first into half, this, and then into 4. You want to separate the middle though, like this. You don't need to make sure the sides are perfectly even. This is going to be this thing we're going to use. This is what our little squares are going to do when we cut them out and do some designs on them. I made that as a mistake, guys. So we're not going to... You can still use that paper, but I'm going to show you how to actually do it. What I just done, figure it out, okay? So what you first do is actually make square paper. Now, if you already have square paper, that's the better idea instead of making your own one. So that's what you should do if you already have square paper. But if you don't, you can use my method. So here is my square paper. It's like a diamond, but now it's a square. Right. Now what we're going to do, we're going to make this into a 4 squares. This is what we're going to use to make the square. It might not be even, so if it's not even, you can just cut the sides and turn it. But only do this if the square piece didn't turn out well. So this is how it looks now. Before, after. We're gonna open it with something like this. And from that fold, I'm going to do one more fold. So we're just gonna go whoopity-doop. I'll make it right. Okay, it's not even water. You should have something like this. So after you have that, you are going to open it up. This is the best part, guys. And you are going to color that in. You're going to do some designs around that. So I will do that in one flash. Here we go. Right in a second. And I am going to be using my coloring pencils, but you can use any one you want. So I will be doing this in a flash. And I am going to be using yellow for the lights. So I am going to do the lights in a flash. And that's my lights. Looks like Christmas lights. Now I am going to do the bed. In a flash. Now. So as you guys noticed, I did put something here. It's just a little mat I wanted, but you don't need to put it. Now I am going to draw the cupboard right over here in a flash. Yeah, I also draw some slippers for her. So I think that is the bedroom. Now we are going to work in the kitchen in a flash. And first I am going to draw the start. There is my kitchen. So I put some little things on there, and so that's my kitchen. And I am also going to draw a mat, because I really want a mat to go there for whoever's going to be in the house to stand on, of course. And just colour that in copy. So that is done. Now we are going to work on the bathroom and the living room. First I'm going to draw the toilet. Yeah. So that is a toilet. I love that toilet, guys. Adorable. Now I am going to work on the living room, and I will do that in the flash as well. There's the living room. I am going to colour in the TV much more properly with this beautiful crayony blue. And this crayony blue is amazing. I have it is amazing. I love the crayony blue. And colour that in it. After you have made your house, there's a bit on the back, but that's okay. Because I were using clutches, so this is how you want them to work when your house is done. But your house isn't done yet. So you need to still do the roof and the characters and stuff. So we are going to just fold this up like this. And then we are going to take this and cut a triangle out like this. And then you can just fold it up like this, up to you. Take this piece you cut. And then you want to draw the person that wants to live in your house. And I am going to draw a little cute pink little cat that wants to live in my house that is homeless. It's a really adorable cat. This one is going to be Mum. And then you can even print something out to live in your house, but I am going to draw something. So that's my one. And then you want to keep your envelope and get some glue. There. Get some glue. You want to stick it at the back of the envelope. If your glue doesn't work properly, you can just dig in. Just make sure you have any type of glue. It can even be PVA glue, but I'm going to use this glue stick. And then you are going to glue that right there like this. So when you open it, you can put a little pad in there. You are going to open the tips up just like this. Perfect. You are going to next just fold hold this like this. Something like this, I think. Then you are just place the little kitty in. You can use as how much characters you want, but I'm just gonna have one. Like this. I'm going to decorate my envelope with little smiles around the edges. You can do anything you want. So that's my one. And then we are going to add a wreath. So again, take your Snippy Doodly Doo paper and you can cut out a wreath. Any type of wreath. Just make sure you have a perfect triangle, not perfect, but just a triangle. The roof doesn't really need to suit the whole edge. Just make sure you have a triangle. Now my triangle isn't really that perfect. I am going to cut it out again. So, there we go. And another cut. And this one should do good, and it did do good. You can make it as small as you want. I am going to do because the roof might be a little too petite and small, so you can just start cutting it out until you like your side. Then flip it at the back. Then we are going to add some glue. So, you can have your roof like this. Front of my roof like this. My greenhouse, look. And then you are just going to stick that beautiful roof on there. I am also going to add a heart. You don't need a roof for that. I just thought it looks cute. So that is your new paper house. So what I'm going to do now is just put everything back where it belongs. Put these pencils in the pencil case because I don't want to lose them. Not that much of a big deal if I do, but I love these pencils and I don't want to lose them. Let's stick the pencil case on. Then what I am going to do, I am just going to shove all of this paper to one end so I can clean that up after, including the glue stick. At least it keeps on rolling. And then also my scissors. Snip, don't do that. And not my house, of course, so this is my house. So this is my final one of my house. Now, as I was saying, this is my house, and as you can see, I am going to show you how we use it. So here is your little envelope. So this is your whole house. Nothing on the back, but if you want to decorate the back, you can. Very beautiful. We are going to open up this envelope like this. There, and then just remove the house. That's your little character that was there. That is the envelope. And then what you can do, you can turn your house light this way and open it up. And in there, that's where you have all your beautiful things. So this is the little character, and he can go to bed. Take his slippers on, and then he can go to the bathroom, get washed. He can go to the toilet, and take some toilet paper. Now he can eat. And then he can go sit down and watch some TV. And then when we're done with your house, you can just fold it up like this. Like I said, and put it back into your house. And close it up. And that is your own paper house. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. But before this, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Bye.